No, Reg. Reg, hold it back.
Reg attempts to get his way back out. Will he do it? Come on, Reg, up the zips.
Oh, it's so sad. Are you filming?
Yeah.
Reg attempts to get us to the tent.
It's a clever cat.
He is, but he's not clever enough to undo his zip.
What? You didn't do them both.
Well, I don't think he's going to get his first one.
Nice.
Oh my gosh, we scared the fuck out of him. Shit. Oh, I thought he was going to do it.
He did it! Oh, he's not. Oh, he's finding some other way. Oh, he's going to bite his way through.
You see, Mr. Derry opening. Like that first time we did it. But now we prepared with it. Extra door. Oh, sorry.
Okay, I'm going to make a little hole so you can get out from that.
Okay.
Okay, leave it. That's enough.
He's not going to be able to get out from that.
He will.
Oh, he's getting out.
He's nearly...
Oh,
He's out!